As you know, Volkswagen Passat has been completely discontinued since 2022, so Volkswagen is introducing a more alternative and family-friendly model. In this video we will try to give you all the details of the latest discontinued Volkswagen Passat. 2022 Volkswagen Passat competes brighter, it doesn't thrill like faster family sedans. The low and wide VW looks very elegant. Its interior, while equally understated, is well put together and boasts pleasant materials. The interior of the Passat is also spacious, especially in the back seat. This, along with a myriad of standard driver aids such as automated emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, make it a solid choice for families. Its four-cylinder powertrain is fuss-free, but the Passat has a comfortable ride and an attractive price. For some customers, these features and its elegant German features may make the more popular midsize preferable. The Passat comes standard with many features that family sedan buyers will love, including a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 17-inch wheels, heated front seats, adaptive cruise control, and automatic climate control, lane keeping assist and rain-sensing wipers. The Passat has a single powertrain option, a 174 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It was smooth and refined in its range and helped propel the sedan with ease. The automatic is mostly a smooth operator, but sometimes when crawling at low speeds in heavy traffic stumbles. It combines a soft, almost luxurious ride with predictable handling to deliver the most comfortable car possible. The steering is precise and well measured, but like many others in the class, it doesn't offer as much feedback as we'd like. The Passat's turbocharged four-cylinder engine's EPA fuel economy is average among family sedans, and many competitors offer more efficient models and hybrid options. Inside the Passat, clean, straight lines follow Volkswagen's simple design language. The Passat's cabin is pretty German style, but the Volkswagen's isn't entirely without dignity. It is one of the most spacious and comfortable in its segment. With an open cabin and thin door pillars, the Passat looks great. There is little difference in cargo capacity between family sedans. With the seats folded flat, the Passat falls below the family sedan pack in terms of real-world carrying capacity, perhaps because Volkswagen spared some space in the trunk for the Passat's massive rear seat. Standard infotainment includes SiriusXM satellite radio, a 6.3 inches. Includes a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, and several USB ports. The top model adds navigation, a larger 8.0-inch display, a premium sound system and VW's CarNet services. It allows users to locate the vehicle, call roadside assistance and even lock/unlock doors remotely from a smartphone. The Passat's key safety features are standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control above Volkswagen average. It has a limited warranty and below average powertrain coverage. To overcome the latter, the company provides some free maintenance. Simulated warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Free repairs are covered for 2 years or 20,000 miles.